Toastmasters and guest. Today, Sai Dilip delighted us with a different kind of project, especially when a lot of guests are here. So they got an opportunity to witness a different kind of project. It was a boisterous introduce. Congratulations and kudos to Sai Dilip. What I liked in your speech or this particular project is as the guest of this show, you look absolutely confident and you are cheerful and then you are so enthusiastic throughout the show, which is very, very vital in a talk show like this. Sometimes even the questions of the host will put down the guest, but you were absolutely in confident mode. And you are so natural, you are not trying to imitate any one of the heroes or someone who is normally appearing on mass media like this. You are so natural and you are absolutely about yourself. The third thing what I liked in this, when you are coming for a talk show like this, you have to prepare yourself. You had fantastic preparation. Preparation is actually different from rehearsing. I don't think you have rehearsed the show. When you start doing the rehearsing these kind of shows, then the dynamics of the talk show will be lost. But you were very well prepared, but you are not rehearsed. So that was one point I liked in your show. Some of the areas where I want to give you suggestion was most of the time, your hand gesture was like this. It was like this. So you are clasping one, you are holding one of the hands. So whether you are on stage by standing or whether you are sitting in a talk show like this, keep your hands open. So that though you were confident, but open hand gesture will ensure that the audience will feel that you will look confident. Second thing, this is a talk show which is being recorded either live or it is a recorded show. So after quickly reacting to the guest, probably most of the time you have to see the camera. So which was slightly missing. So though you were occasionally seeing the audience as well as the camera, but sometimes it was missing. So that was one thing where you can work on. And the third important thing is body language. Since here you are the guest, right? You are the star. You are the hero. Probably you can also sit in the same way how the host is sitting, probably legs on legs, right? So that could have given you a kind of a different perspective on body language. And the last and the important suggestion what I want you to incorporate is, in such kind of talk shows, please try to use stories or anecdotes. Though you are sharing your experience, but one memorable, vivid anecdote or a story will ensure that the audience remember the show. I am confident that you will be remembered this particular project, but if you want your audience to remember this particular project, you try to include your story or anecdote. Otherwise, you appeared so confident, you are so natural, and definitely all of us agree that you are the youth icon of Bentley. So congratulations to you. So now for the same topic, now I would like to give my evaluation for Toastmaster Thomas. Toastmaster Thomas, he came here and he was the first person to start the show. He started the show with a very high note by leveraging his voice, right? So most of the time, the host, if they don't do the show properly, then it will not reach the audience. With this proper voice, the command of voice, you are able to immediately get the attention of the audience. That was the interpreting. And as a host, you are not interfering. You are not like Arnab. So you have to say 3 questions, and you know where to inject those questions, and then you are looking for the response from the guest. So that was absolute. The third thing I liked from your show was your dress and appearance. So for such kind of shows, the dressing and the appearance is very, very vital. So as usual, you are in the best of your dress. So it is always pleasant to watch people with such kind of appearance as host. If at all, if I have to give you one suggestion for this kind of show is, though you set the contest before the show, probably you could have given a slightly different and unique introduction about the guest, so that the audience would be eagerly looking for such kind of program. And the most thing I liked in your particular presentation is, you are very good in powerful vocabulary, but you are not used such kind of jargons and fancy words, because you are never trying to impress upon the audience. You are trying to express your questions, and you ensure that this is the show of the guest. It is not your show. On that contest, you excelled. Overall, I thoroughly enjoyed this program. Over to you.